This 2020 Jayco Seismic 3512 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 41 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, air conditioning, awning, slide-out, water heater, DVD player, refrigerator, smoke detector, TV, auxiliary battery, external shower, and 102 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco Seismic 3512 is 13,970 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.